Hi everyone. I've been getting a lot of messages and emails about the ICCID plus AT&T SIM card when you are using Gevey Pro or MKSD4. I'm gonna show you how to use it. I have an iPhone from T-Mobile, and it's updated to iOS 14.4 if I'm not mistaken. It is iPhone XR 14.4 and is SIM locked. Device is restricted. T-Mobile. So what are you going to do? You're going to go to my website, digitshop.com, and you're gonna. I usually post on a daily basis. Now the ICCID is changing on daily basis, so you're gonna copy the ICCID either or. In this case, I'm gonna be using 3069. I usually copy. Okay, and just to test it out, I'm gonna put and you need a AT&T SIM card. This is just to get SIM supported, and this will apply for the MKSD4 and for the Gevey Pro. So SIM not supported, and this apply only for iPhones from T-Mobile, Verizon, Sprint, other than AT&T. AT&T iPhones or Cricket, we are on standby for the new code. So just please allow time for the developers to come up with a new solution for that. I know it's in the works, but it takes time. So we're going to use the Gevey Pro. Comes in one piece. Okay. Yeah, one flopper has the same shape of your SIM tray. You're going to put it like this. You're going to grab your AT&T SIM card. Put it on top, and you're going to flip the other side. Just like that. Put it in. Go back to my website. You're going to copy the ICCID 3069. Okay. I'm going to put it in. We're going to wait for the menu, Gevey Pro menu. We're going to select ICCID mode. And it already comes with a preloaded one. What I do, I usually double click on it, highlight it, and delete it. And then I'm gonna paste mine, the one that I copy, I'm gonna paste it. 3069, send. And I'm gonna hit accept. Okay. And then I'm waiting. Let me see. And then I'm gonna swipe up. iOS 14.4, continue. And I'm just gonna wait. There you go. So I'm gonna close my setting app. That's my website. I'm gonna close my setting app, and then I'm going back to settings, general, about, and now it says no SIM restriction. That means it's unlocked, and it's supposed to be rating AT&T. So this is how I unlock the iPhones from T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, anything other than AT&T. If for some reason you miss the little menu from the Gevey Pro, if for some reason that the menu doesn't pop out again on you, it's really simple. Take it out your Gevey Pro or your SIM tray. Take out your AT&T SIM card and use another one. Use your T-Mobile or whatever SIM card you have. We just need the menu. That's what we need. We need the menu. Put another SIM card using the T-Mobile one. This is how you're gonna bring the menu again. See? And then once again, I'm gonna go ICC mode. And because we already update the menu, it is 3069. That's how I bring the menu up. Once again, if you miss the time or the menu goes away and you don't know how to bring it on, really easy. Take it out very carefully and replace it with a different SIM card. And then you can go back to your AT&T SIM card. Hopefully this worked for you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.